This week in my garden, I was happy to see that not only my sunflowers are surviving and my marigolds are looking great, but my tomato plants are coming back. We're also happy to see a little color on those sweet peppers. I've also planted some broccoli from the MI Gardener, and that was in place of the pea art contraption. One of the other things I did was add some dirt into all of my buckets. These are my banana pepper plants, and I was happy I did so, because at 3 in the morning, this is what happened, and it rained for longer than I can remember in a long time. So unfortunately, the lettuce did get another thrashing, but the pepper stood strong because of the extra dirt. We also trimmed back the lemon balm, but never fear, there are leaves near. I made these cute little signs just with dates on the back. Is this not the cutest little potato plant you have ever seen? It is the only survivor from the first set of seeds. I have now started my second set of seeds from the actual potato seeds. Morning glories that I scored with a emery board and then soaked overnight, and every single one of them sprouted. So here what I've done is I've gone ahead and I have planted them all along the border of my garden. My bloodheart vine is growing strong and should be a great pollinator. Here is some of the lemon basil that I picked fresh on my table and some of my cilantro. This is a delicious tomato and basil soup that I have made, along with using my kale from my garden on my wrap. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up. It really does help. And if this is your first time here, think about go ahead and subscribing down below. If you'd like to go ahead and catch up on my previous garden updates, here is the playlist.